Tapioca balls.
Hindi ba
Akala
yan,
ko sagwan
pare
tawag
ko,
yun.
hindi ba yan broski, hindi yan nag-burst into your nguso?
Hindi ba?
Yung sa BGC, may yung mga tapioca balls, nag-burst talaga sa nguso ko.
Talaga?
Oo.
Yeah. Ooh, see the
Look.
Arniba looks like Laboy but so masiram, pare.
Ano mas masarap ba yung yung nagbe-burst? Or-
Yeah, the bursting tapiocas. Oh, so let's have a morning shot.
Morning shots ni Rodel.
Ooh. Grabe pare, ang siram.
Oo, in
Grabe,
front of the
masarap.
beach.
In front of the beach,
Yeah, in front of the beach.
Nasaan ba tayo ngayon, bro?
Gagi bro, I thought we're in La Union. I
La
thought we're in
Union.
LU.
LU.
Gagi
LU.
pare, all of my friends in Poveda, in Areneo, in Lazal, they're all in ano na ngayon, parang in LU. Baliw na baliw sila sa LU. Here in Daet, like this is just for free pare. Like the Alon, morning shots pare.
And how's the taste?